subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
The Chinese electronics giant TCL has launched its new budget smartphone in the US market called TCL Ion X. Now talking about the specifications, the TCL Ion X features a 6-inch HD Plus display with a large 85% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G25 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, which is further expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. As per the optics, the TCL Ion X supports a single 13MP camera on the rear, and there is 5MP selfie camera at the front. The device comes equipped by 3000 mAh removable battery, and it runs on unspecified Android OS. Additionally, the smartphone features face unlock system for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 156.5 by 75.2 by 8.9mm, and it weighs around 177.4 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The TCL Ion X has been priced in the US at $119, and it is now available for purchase in the country in space black color option. So what do you guys think of this TCL Ion X smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.